So let's move to strawberry. Let's try. Oh. Amoy pa lang, mabubusog ka na. Wishy. Strawberry. Lami siya, day. Isa pa. Basta hindi ay chigaw. Lami gid siya, as in, last na be. Lami gid siya, as in, proven and tested na gid siya. So, masarap talaga siya. Minasan, konnichiwa, watashi no YouTube channel iku. So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome back. So for today's vlog, I will do this Japanese ice cream taste test. So right now, I have here this Panap brand. So I have 3 Panap ice cream. So this one is strawberry, chocolate, blueberry, ganun. And also I have here Häagen-Dazs brand. So this one is golden berry rare cheesecake. Then this one is white peach. And I have here 2 Meiji ice cream. And I have 4 Glico ice cream. So let's find out kung saan yung pinakamasarap. But I think lahat naman sila masarap, guys. But let's find out if alin dito yung makakapasok sa top 5 Ichiban. Top 5 na pinakamasarap na ice cream. Ganun. And guys, as you can see the packaging, it's very catchy and attractive. So mapapabili ka talaga. See? This one. And also this. So, madali lang matuloy yung ice cream nila. Kaya let's dig in. Let's start. So, let's have this Panap chocolate. Wishy so. So, umpisahan natin. Lame. So, let's find out kung saan talaga yung pinakamasarap. Which is the most so yummy. Masarap siya, guys. So, tapos na tayo dito sa Panap. So, let's move to blueberry Panap. Pamain na lang ako, guys. Blueberry Panap yung code. Ganun, blueberry Panap. So, 100 lang siya. Blueberry. Oh. So, ito naman siya yung blueberry Panap. Masarap siya, guys. I think lahat naman ito masarap eh. Pero ito talaga. Tikim lang, pero parang uubusin ko na yata. Masarap siya, guys. Kasi nga blueberry. As you can see, it's blueberry panap. So let's have this white peach. Oh. I wish you so. See guys, madali lang talaga siyang matunaw. So let's start. So ito yung white peach ice cream from Haagen-Dazs. Ganun. Masarap siya, guys. Lahat sila masarap. White peach. Masarap din siya, guys. So let's move to Meiji. So let's use new spoon. Iba-ibang spoon for sa brand. So unahin natin tong chocolate. Oh my God, madali lang siyang matunaw. Why, baby, why? Ooh, oh, wow. Yummy. Meiji chocolate. So, ito po yung code niya, guys. Pamay na lang ako. Meiji chocolate. Sarap din siya. Makakalimutan mo yung pangalan ng crush mo, aw. Pinakagusto ko talaga, guys, dito is kung ano talaga yung cover. Kung ano yung nasa cover is yun talaga yung reality. Charot. Yan yung mga product dito sa Japan. Kung ano yung cover nila, yan talaga yung nakikita mo sa loob. So, let's move to another Meiji ice cream. So, ito naman siya. It's white chocolate.
So, let's have this. Para siyang cookies and cream sa atin. I think so.
Oh, wow! Madali lang talaga siyang matunaw. Oh, may gulay. So, para sa mga mint lover dyan, so this is for you guys. Mint chocolate ice cream. Hindi ko siya bet. Ganun. So, let's move to Gleco na. Dito na tayo sa Gleco. So, finish na tayo dito, guys. So, dito naman tayo sa this one. Unahin natin to. Ganun. Ano naman, guys. Wow! Sa packaging pa lang niya, guys. Look. Laisho. Laisho ang packaging niya. Tingnan nyo. Social. Very talaga siya. Yummy. Yummy look. Saan yun? Atatakai. Hono. Kanano. Bokuju Shiburi. So this one is Gleco brand ice cream. Tingnan yung packaging niya, guys. Bokuju Shiburi. Oh my gulay!
So let's use new spoon. Oh,
Yung para siyang coffee. Parang siyang raisin. Masarap din siya. Coffee ice cream. Coffee flavor. So let's move to this one, milk. Yung milk flavor naman.
oh may gulay. So I need to ubos-ubos this one. Kasi matutunaw siya.
So let's try. Hello, dali rin siya matunaw. Gatas na gatas talaga siya. Oh. Gatas. Gatas. Alam naman, kape, gatas today, ganun. So, sa mga milk lover dyan, ito naman yung patok sa inyo. Yummy. So, dito naman tayo sa strawberry. Let's try. Oh! Amoy pa lang, mabubusog ka na. Oh, wishy! Wapagani ka tilaw. So, let's try this strawberry. Lame. Lame siya day. Lame siya day. Isa pa. Basta hindi ay chigaw. Lami gid siya, as in last na be. Lami gid siya, as in proven and tested na gid siya. Yay! Ito yung pinakamasarap ko. Pasok siya sa top 5 ko. Set aside na natin. So next is this one. So, it's like coffee din siya na medyo So, ito yung last nating Gleco brand na ice cream. So, let's find out if mapapasok ba to siya sa top 5. Charot.
Wow!
Wishy so. So, ito yung coffee ice cream pala, guys. So, this one, hindi pala siya coffee. So, this one pala, guys, it's chocolate with raisin ice cream. Chocolate with raisin ice cream. So, ito pala yung coffee flavor. So, this one naman is para sa mga coffee lover. So, hindi ako coffee lover. So, hindi siya pasok sa top 5 ko. Ganon. Okay, so I'm done. 5 ko ay... Alright guys, so I have here the top 5 Japanese tasty ice cream. Based sa natikman ko. So, sila yung top 5 ko, guys, among the others. So, earlier, meron akong 11 different types of, Japanese ice cream. So, 11 yung lahat. So, the top 3 goes to, Panap. Chocolate Panap, strawberry Panap, and blueberry Panap. Highly recommended itong Panap ice cream, guys. As in, super duper masarap. Panap, baka naman. Ganun, nagpaparinig. Hindi totoo, guys. Masarap siya at murang-mura. 70 yen lang. Ganun. What are you waiting for? Grab yours now. At itong Häagen-Dazs Golden Rare Cheesecake. Ika-4. At yung last is yung Glecco natin na na siya, natutunaw. So, itong Glecco na white chocolate with raisin, ganun. So, congratulations. Ganun. So, sila. Nagtataka kayo kung bakit nakabili ako ng maraming ice cream. Imahal naman yung mga, foodies dito. So, guys, go to supermarket during Sunday because, it's sale. Yay! Sale, sale, sale. Our favorite moment. Alright, guys. So, I hope you will like this kind of content. But guys, if ever you don't like this video, please do subscribe. Sanay. Bitaw, guys. I need your support because, deadline is coming to town. Guys, thank you so much to all my supporters. Malapit na tayong graduate. So, konting kembot na lang. Laban lang, girl. Ganun. So, thank you so much. And sa lahat ng bago dyan, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share. Ganun. So, thank you so much and see you in my next video.